Basic Math, Chapter 16, Section 5, Polygons. Polygons are plane figures with 3 or more sides. Polygons are named by the number of sides they have. For example, count the number of sides and name each polygon. 3 sides is a triangle. 4 sides is a quadrilateral. Roll it down a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides is a pentagon. 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a hexagon. And then an octagon, like an octopus, has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Triangles have special names. The names are based on their sides. So look at the sides, then name each triangle. For example, 2. We've got a scalene triangle. No sides are equal. This one's 5, this one's 3, and this one's 6. An isosceles triangle, at least 2 sides are equal. This side and this side are both 4 feet. So it is an isosceles triangle. And the third type of triangle is an equilateral triangle. Just like the beginning of the word equilateral, equal. 3 sides are equal, and a triangle has 3 sides, so all sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. One more example of quadrilaterals. Remember, these are items with 4 sides. They've got some special names too. So let's look at the sides and angles and name the figure. Here's a parallelogram. A quadrilateral, a shape with 4 sides, with the opposite sides parallel and equal in length. So our opposite sides are parallel and they're equal in length. That makes a parallelogram. Parallel is when the 2 sides will not cross each other. Like the 7 centimeter lines are parallel to each other, and the 4 centimeter lines are parallel to each other. And we can take a look at a rectangle. A parallelogram with all 4 angles equal to 90 degrees. So we have, just like before, we've got parallel sides. In this case, they're both 2 feet long. And parallel lengths that are the same length. They're 3 feet long each. They're parallel because they are never going to cross each other. Now the difference with the rectangle is that the angles are all 90 degrees, and those are shown in each of these corners, making a box. A little box in the corner of an angle means 90 degrees. So a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with the opposite sides parallel and equal in length. Now a rectangle is also a parallelogram, except it also has the angles all equal to 90 degrees. Now we get a square. A square is also a rectangle, but the sides are all equal. So every side of this square is 6 inches. 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here. We have the top and bottom parallel. They'll never cross each other, and they're 6 inches. We've got the sides parallel. They'll never cross each other, and they are also 6 inches. All of the angles, I need a different color. All of the angles are 90-degree angles. So they're parallelograms, they're rectangles, and because all the sides are equal, that's what makes a square. So we got to name each of these polygons. So count the sides. If it helps, you can number them. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sided figure is a pentagon. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon, like an octopus. And then we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. I think I spelled that right. Let's double check. Yep, hexagon, octagon. Those are gone. Name each triangle or quadrilateral. So now we're going to be trying to figure out what type of a triangle it is or what type of a quadrilateral it is. Triangles have 3 sides, quadrilaterals have 4 sides. Okay, before I can see we have 7-inch sides that are parallel and 4-inch sides that are parallel. But none of the angles are 90-degree angles. So it is a parallelogram. So there's our parallelogram. Ooh, 1 L or 2. Parallelogram. Double check my spelling. Yeah. Parallelogram. I did spell it right. All right. So we got our parallelogram. And then for number 5, we've got a 3-sided figure. This is a triangle. I see we have 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. And so we have 3 types of triangles. We could double check. We have a scalene, no sides equal, isosceles, 2 sides equal, or equilateral, all sides equal. Our example had 2 sides equal, so we have an isosceles, ISOSCELES. ISOSCELES, maybe. Double check the spelling. ISOSCELES. 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 All right, good. Now we have another triangle with 1, 2, 3 sides. That makes it a triangle. 7 foot, 5 foot, 4 foot. These are all different numbers, so nothing is the same length. So what type of a triangle is that? It's a scalene triangle. S-C-A-L-E-N-E. S-C-A-L-E-N-E. Scalene. Good. All right, we've got the remaining figures. We have a four-sided figure for number 7, 2 meters that are parallel, 5 meters that are parallel. So this would be an example of a rectangle. And then for number 8, we have a four-sided figure that has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. They are all 90 degrees, and they are all 3.5 inches. So we not only have a parallelogram, a rectangle, but because all the sides are equal, that makes this figure into a square. And now we have a triangle for number 9 with all sides equal. So we have the equilateral. See if I can remember how to spell that one. E-Q-U-I-L-A-T-E-R-A-L. I think you got it. Good. So when in doubt, double check, use the guides and examples so you can see what type of shapes you have, count the sides, take a look at all the factors, and then you can give your shape a name. Practice is in your workbook for Chapter 16, Section 5. And of course, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.